Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Munasibah. My number G2U124048. I am a master student in public health at Halu Oleo University. I want to thank to the lecturer in charge of the Environmental Health and Occupational Health course, namely Mr. Ramadan Tosepu, SKM MKes PhD, who has invited me to present the result of my journal review. Entitled, The Relationship Between Work Stress and Quality Life Among Indonesian Health Workers During the COVID-19 Pandemic. This research created by Yusmita, Anatolia, Teresia, and Benaventura. Background. During the COVID-19 pandemic, health workers are directly involved in many healthcare activities. If the pandemic lasts for a long time, the situation of ambiguity and full of risk, it will be unimaginable. It will potentially worsen individual emotion, increase work stress, and affect the quality of life of health workers. The individual quality of life is assessed by physical, psychological, social relationship, and environment. Individual with impaired quality of life will affect all dimensions of a person's life. If it contributes to an individual physical domain, they will experience health problems such as a physical weakness and disease susceptibility. In the physiological domain, an individual will experience a psychological condition that is depression. It affects his mental health. In social relation, people will experience poor social relation with other humans because they are in uncomfortable situation. In addition, in the environmental domain, a person tends to ignore his environment. Methods. This type of research is quantitative research with a cross-sectional study design. Was used to analyze the relationship between stress level and the health workers' quality of life at the public health center during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sample. This research using total sampling, which is this research used 90 health workers were involved in this study at the Public Health Center in Ende Regency, East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. Instrument. This study used 3 questionnaires. The first is about the demographics. The second work stress scale, and the third quality of life questionnaire. The demographic questionnaires consist of age, sex, health workers, education level, income per month, length of work. And questionnaire about the stress scale, we use Manaf et al. 2019 with a Cronberg alpha value of 0.7. The stress scale has 21 questions with the answer no ever, sometimes, often, and almost always. Suppose the answer is never, given a value of 0, sometimes is 1, often is 2, and almost always is 3. Furthermore, the answers are categorized into the first is stress and the second is not stress. To measure the quality of life, Wukul brief was used, consisting of 26 question items where two questions are about the quality of life in general, and 24 other questions cover for domain, so name physical, psychological, social, and environmental health. So about data analysis, we use descriptive statistic and chi-square test. Ethical consideration. This study was approved by the Ethics Committee of Poltekkes Kemenkes Kupang on 11 Juni 2021. Each participant was ensured to second informed consent to data collection. The result of this study are supported by the data showing that 25% of respondents who experience work stress had a bad quality of life. Meanwhile, 98.6% of respondents who did not experience work stress had a good quality of life. So from this table we can see 90 respondents, the health workers whose stress is 20 respondents, and who have a bad quality is 5 respondents, and who have a good quality of life is 15 respondents. So we can see the health workers not stressed is 70 respondents, and who have a bad quality of life is 1 respondent, and who have a good quality of life is 69 respondents. So in this research, have a p-value is 0.001, that smaller than 0.05. This indicates that H0 is rejected, which means there is a relationship between work stress and quality of life among Indonesian health workers during COVID-19 pandemic. So this question, the result of this study relevant that there was a significant relationship between work stress and quality of life. Work stress is a feeling of pressure experienced by employees in dealing with work. It can be seen from the symptoms, including unstable emotion, feeling uneasy, being alone, having trouble sleeping, smoking, being unable to relax, being anxious, tense, nervous, increasing blood pressure, and experiencing digestive disorder. Also, they will have a depressed psychological condition with effect on mental health. So in additional work stress affect the domain of social relation. It means someone who experience work stress has poor social relation with other human, because they are uncomfortable condition. So less work stress affect the environmental domain, because someone who experience work stress tends to ignore the environment. Tosepu et al. 2021. Conclusion. So the conclusion from this research is work stress is a significant factor in influencing the quality of life, so that it can be affect all dimension. The first is dimension of physical, so psychological, social relationship, and environmental domain of a person quality of life. Therefore, it is essential for the local health office to pay attention to this issue and hold someone refreshing activities for health workers in order to reduce work stress and improve quality of life. That was the result of my journal review. For shortcoming and mistake, I apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.